Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm here with my sister Moite, and today we're here to play the 7-second challenge. 7-second challenge is really easy. All you have to do is you have 7 seconds and then you gotta do whatever your partner told you to do. You have 7 seconds only. So do you want to start off?
No, you start.
Okay, here's my first challenge. You have 7 seconds to spell my name backward.
IUPNID.
Yes,
Did
you
it.
did it!
Yes. Okay, you have 7 seconds to finish this banana.
Because, what?
One,
Wait, I can't.
two,
This is so much.
3, 5, 6, 7.
I did it! Woo!
You didn't. Look, you have like that much. Okay.
It's delicious. You have 7 seconds to finish this water.
Oh, wait.
Go.
Can't open this.
Stop. You fell.
Well, that's impossible. Okay, you have 7 seconds to finish this.
What is this? Is this even cooked?
Mm,
This is
it
this is not cooked.
Oh, okay. So what about this one?
Is this cooked?
I think so, yeah.
Okay.
Is that cooked?
Yeah, I think. Yeah, it is cooked.
Okay, go. 1, 2, 3.
That was really spicy. I mean,
Okay.
bitter. Okay, you have 7 seconds to lick your both elbows. Go.
Did it! You have 7 seconds to pull out 5 hair.
Okay.
Go. No. Your hair.
Okay.
Go.
I don't
Go,
even
go.
have hair.
5.
It's
Go.
short.
Ready?
Yeah.
1,
Okay.
2, 3,
Wait.
Four.
I can't.
5, 6.
Okay, got it. Can you see? 1, 2,
4. You have 4.
3, 4.
You
yes.
failed. I said 5.
You said 5?
Mhm.
Oh. Okay.
No. 7 seconds is over.
You have 7 seconds to make up one word and tell the definition. Go.
Abrigato. It means I love eating pizza and dogs. And dogs.
You love eating dogs?
Okay, you have 7 seconds to make an outfit for me.
What? Outfit
Yeah,
like
go.
shirt?
Go.
Oh, okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, got it.
6,
Alright.
7. Okay.
I got this.
Oh, that's a cute one.
It's pretty nice. You have to put this on though. You have to put this on. And I got this right here. I don't know. I think this is my pen.
Oh well, this is my jacket, so.
So you have to put this on. Alright, come sit down here.
Wait.
Stand up.
Can we see my
Stand up.
pants?
Put this on.
Oh boy. Okay.
I don't know.
here it is.
I don't know when I get this, but you have to put this on. Come here. Through your neck. All right.
Wow.
This is your neck. Right?
Wow, I look beautiful.
You look really nice.
Thank you. You have 7 seconds to wear your shirt inside out.
Okay.
Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Done! I got it. Yeah. Okay. Who is your favorite YouTuber?
Miranda Sings, of course.
You have 7 seconds to do your best Miranda Sings.
Okay, I
Go.
need the lipstick though.
Oh yeah. You need lipstick. I have it.
Okay.
All right. Really good. All right. You have 7
Okay.
seconds to do your best Miranda. Go.
Hey guys, it's me Miranda, and today I'm really ticked off because my brother.
All right. That was really good. Alright, that's all we have for you guys today. I hope you guys like it. And you guys can actually do this at home. It's really easy and it's really fun to do with your sister. Just right here, she's crazy. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like it. Bye.
Right.
What?
Anything.
Because we don't have ears.
Say do. What's in my ear? You guys don't have necklace or anything, just wear curling eye. Right?
Okay, Miranda, I have a question.
What? Okay.
Can you teach me how to sing?
Okay. So, do this.
Alright, here we go.
Because
Okay, I'll do it.
hi.
Alright, thank you so much, guys. Bye.